so this is the last one I'm going to go over tonight. These ones are a little tricky, and they've been throwing a lot of people. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to make that 1 over 1 to remind myself I'm dealing with a bunch of fractions. I don't want to forget that one. Sometimes it's easy to lose it. And the next thing I notice, so I want to get a common denominator, but the next thing I notice is these guys look very, very similar, but they're not quite the same. Because remember, x minus 4 and 4 minus x are not the same. Subtraction is not commutative. I can't just reverse the order of subtraction and magically make it into the other one. I can do that with addition, but I can't reverse it with subtraction. So I'm going to go off to the side here, and I'm going to just work with this 7 and 4 minus x. So I want to make it into an x minus 4. So I can do that simply by multiplying by -1 over -1. That's valid, right? Anything over itself is just 1, so I'm just multiplying by 1 basically. And now I get -7, and when I distribute this, put this in parentheses and distribute it, can you see that you get -4 plus x? So now the nice thing about this is addition is commutative. I can reverse the order of addition. I've got two items being added together, so I can rewrite them. So this becomes -7 and then x minus 4, or plus -4, it's the same thing. So now that does look like that denominator, so that's what I wanted. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go back over and I'm going to substitute it back into here. So all I did was change this by making it a -7 and reversing them. So let's rewrite our problem again. 2x, x minus 4 equals 1 over 1 minus, because that minus sign is still the same, and then I've got this -7 over x minus 4. So the nice thing about this is when you have a minus and negative, you can make them into plus plus. Don't forget that little rule. And now I just need to get a common denominator. So obviously my common denominator is going to be x minus 4. So I just need to multiply whatever's missing times any term. So the only one that was missing anything was that middle term of x minus 4. So, and if all my denominators are the same, I only need to deal with that linear equation now. So x minus 4, because 1 times x minus 4 is x minus 4, plus 7. Negative, remember that negative was a plus 7. So I can simply combine terms. So I have 2x equals x plus 3. Subtract x from both sides, and I get x equals 3. And that's the final answer. This is a really good example. Make sure you're going back into your original equation and checking your answer. You can simply do, 2 times 3 divided by 3 minus 4, and so forth, and just check your answer. This does work out, so good luck.